Hi everyone, I am Sabri Skiri, the Research Director at URNova. I would like to invite you at the 5th workshop on real-time stream analytics that will be held jointly to the 2020 IEEE Big Data. Stream processing and real-time analysis have become some of the most important topics when dealing with large volume of data. Instant payment, scoring of consumer on websites, claims analysis, security and surveillance are only a few potential applications of real-time stream processing and analysis. To explore and refine new opportunities and use cases, we want to bring together world-class international researchers to present and discuss their research. Among our guests this year will be Till Rohrmann, who is a PMC member of Apache Flink and an engineering lead at Ververica. Till is also one of the earliest members of the team, as he initially got started by working on Flink as a student assistant. We will also welcome Tadkata Das, you can call him TD if you want, who is the head software engineer at Databricks and a PMC member of Apache Spark. He is one of the original developers and is currently one of the core developers of structured streaming. Sunshield Kulkarni will join us as well. He is working on the data stream processing product at Splunk. Prior to Splunk, Sanji was the co-founder and CTO of Streamlio, which led to the development of Apache Pulsar. Previously, he was a technical lead for real-time analysis at Twitter. Why do we bring those people together? Well, because we want to identify the open problems in stream and real-time analytics and to establish new research collaborations. We invite you to contribute as well. Authors from the industry and academia are welcome. If you want to join us, all the information to apply is on the workshop website.